Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Shehzad, Multan Sultans, they want to get in that first qualifier and tent. Kumar Sangakara, as Baz said, it's just been the left arm orthodox.
They're Gonski. They cannot qualify.
Are you going a bit early there, Danny?
Says Asif Yaqub. Pull out the sweep straight away. Solomon to take on.
2 games. Aga Salman, he plays club cricket in Lahore. He got.
It is tight to cut. Get back, Sangers! There's a direct hit. Got to come upstairs, surely. Absolutely. Comfortably home in that replay, but in real time, just. There's a favourite stroke for Shehzad to get things moving here for Multan. Yeah. Good run. Slow there from Yasser. Oh, lovely angle, just sliding in from Salman. 1 done, 5 for none. Into the early evening. Sohail Khan. Modern quick bowler. And, rhythm is the key. He needs all of it, it appears. He's never had the factor in everything, getting through the fastest format. Nice little channel.
Respect there.
Sohail. And that is a strong shot from Sangers to get his account underway.
Seen this time and time again. The runs. And he respects a good ball, though. I wouldn't be leaving too much there, Sohail. So not talking there's too much swing.
And again, happy to respect good deliveries.
Danny Stats, man.
Now, you give him worth, he'll cut you to pieces every day of the week. 2 done, it's 14 without loss. Sunil Narayan back at the bowling crease sooner rather than...
Sunglasses from Bazza there. Bazza looks like he could be heading out to a nightclub or starring in the Blues.
All over it. He probably gave them to Baz.
Yeah, just interested. Right on the money, as usual. And there's the one that turns away. Got to be a good bowler to just have Sangakara hesitant.
Respect. Good delivery, and there's another good delivery from Narayan.
It's just a little bit of spin on offer, and that's enough for Narayan.
Some thinking footwork here. It's 2 feet outside leg.
That's
Indeed. Oh, going to squirt one, and Baz McCullum allows him to strike into the over. He's on the march, and he's got all of this one and some. Wonderful strike from... Ready to rock and roll with Sohail Khan. Another little leave, another dot.
Have you, Baz?
Oh, yeah. Fractionally short. Taxi. Another one from Sangers.
One massive 6. Slower ball. Good one. It was on the money. No, get back there, please, Kumar. Yeah, it's interesting with Sangakara, the way...
We'll just check out the stats guru alongside. And again. Sports City. Oh, it's Fat City. Belated. Happy 40th. Better late than never, Flem. We've had 4.
I think Yasir Shah just heard you.
Reload.
I like that start.
There we go. He heard you, Baz. 1 bounce over the fence. Just
rise. Not worried about the wrong one, getting inside the line, going with the spin, and he gets a short one to put away. Now, this is brilliant batting. Shah didn't want to get back, hit back.
smart stuff and takes on the field. Now, there is a direct hit from young Shaheen. Make sure, just come.
All right, I'm going to call this early, not out.
Bit of gardening there, bit of greenery. There we go. Cameras too. Shehzad, careful now.
Bit of spin.
Comes. Nice little dink into the leg side for one. We've had 5, 41 for none.
Mitchell McLennigan, 31 years of age, saw him.
It's a nice little touch, wasn't it? He'll give Lahore everything.
Well, they need it. They need everything, but they need accuracy. So you hope that it's going to work for Lahore today, but great opportunity for him.
Slow delivery. Try to make sure at what pace he needs to procedure. He's looking good. That's a glorious straight drive. 50 comes up for Multan Sultans. Oh, that's gone as well. That bat making a terrific.